Have you ever wanted to round up the additional amount on your sales and donate that to a charity? You probably see that at the big box stores. They do that kind of thing pretty often. And I'm going to show you how you can do it in your point of sale system easily. So I got a few test items so I can show you here. So we're going to go ahead and add a POS item here I have for barcode labels. So you can click that or touch it, and you can see on the sale it's $96.29. So we need an additional 71 cents to make an even $97. So instead of trying to calculate that all by hand and tracking that, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily through your point of sale system. So we're going to go ahead and do a Christmas food bank donation item. And the item doesn't exist, so we're going to go ahead and create it. And I'll show you here the screen. So here's the item, and what we're going to need to do is go to the advanced options so that we can make the magic happen. We'll make it a non-inventory item. And the easiest way here, you can just check the checkbox, and as you can see, charity roundup, and then we want to go ahead and do 0% tax. So if you set the tax to 0%, and then I recommend also set the department to charity to track all of the donations. And you'll see why. I'll show you that in a minute as well too. And then we want to add this to our fast picks, so it'll be on the menu. So it's basically like the fast pick menus. And then we save the item, and you can see it added it to sale, but I'm going to go ahead and re-add that so you can see how it works in action. So let's say, yep, you've got your item on here again, and then you want to donate. You basically ask a customer, would you like to round up for charity? And they say yes. So all you need to do is click on the charity menu, and then inside of that is the Christmas food bank item that we created earlier. So you touch that or click it, and you can see it automatically calculates the 71 cents. And so the total comes to $97 even. It's like magic. So our system will calculate that for you. And then we'll finish the sale. So you can see the example, $97. Let's say they gave us a $100 bill. So it should be $3 change. And that popped up on my screen, the change, but I'm going to go ahead and show you on the receipt as well here too. So you can either do a full size receipt, like 8.5 by 11, or you can also do another size, like invoice 80. And I'll show you what that looks like. You can see it's a nice thermal size receipt. And you can see the 71 cents for the roundup, and that brought it to the $97 even. And you can see the $100 that was paid and $3 change. And you can see it was cash. So everything looks just the way we'd like to see it. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and close that, and I'll show you how you can view the report. So that way, at the end of the month or end of the week when you do all the donations, you can see a report and know how much needs to be donated to charity and give them a report as well too. So if we go to accounting and then go to reports, and we're going to set that just for today, and we'll pull up the department discount report. You can see I've done this a few times to run a few tests to make sure everything was working properly for the video. But as you can see, I did this, looks like 3 times, and you can see the total right down there, $2.13. So it added up all the 71 cents and gave us a total for the time period that we specified, which was just today. And you can even see, yeah, we ran the report at 3:34 p.m. So, yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you very much.